15-28 State versus Jason Hicks, burglary, theft of property, terrorist and threatening. Good morning, Mr. Hicks. Have you got a lawyer?
No, sir.
Are you going to make application to the public defender's office or hire an attorney?
Yes, sir. I had to fill out an application.
Fill out an application. I understand there's some applications there at the jail. Fill one out and I'll call your case later, okay?
All right.
Veronica Watts, possession of methamphetamine, drug paraphernalia, endangering the welfare of a minor. Good morning, Ms. Watts.
Good morning.
I'm looking at a police statement here. Have you gone over this document?
Yes, sir.
Do you feel you understand the matters set out in the police statement?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the charges against you and the range of penalties if you're convicted?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty to possession of controlled substances, a misdemeanor, possession of drug paraphernalia, misdemeanor, driving while intoxicated, and endangering the welfare of a minor, all of these misdemeanors?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, is this to be, one of them to be null pros? Okay, that was my mistake. You're not pleading. That's going to be null pros, endangering.
Your Honor, the DWI statute has an enhancement for having a child in the car, and that enhances the jail sentence up to 7 days, and that counts for the child. That's why that's being null pros.
Very well. By entering this plea, you're giving up the right to have a trial. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
You also cannot appeal when you plead guilty. You know that?
Yes, sir.
Are you entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Other than this recommendation, which is in the police statement about your sentence, other than that, have you been promised anything?
No, sir.
Been threatened or coerced in any manner in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Okay, and you're entering the plea because you're in fact guilty.
Yes, sir.
This time, ma'am, I'm going to accept your plea and judge you guilty. For possession of a controlled substance, you'll be placed on 12 months probation. You'll receive the same sentence for possession of drug paraphernalia, 12 months probation. And the DWI will receive 7 days in the county jail. Is she credit time, sir?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. You'll comply with the other matters set out in the police statement, including an addiction program as directed by the DWI officer.
She's been screened this morning. Her information has it by the officer and has that information, Judge.
Very well. You're ordered to pay $200 in regular court costs, a $500 fine, a $200 public defender fee, a $20 booking fee. For DWI, there are additional costs which you're ordered to pay, $300 in DWI court costs, and a $500 DWI fine. You pay what you owe at the rate of $100 per month, beginning within 30 days after your release, which will hopefully be today, and you make your payments to the Sheriff's Department. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Does probation need to see her?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So if you'll just go with this gentleman here, and we'll get that. 14-267, State versus Matthew Seabury, 14-267, and it's theft by proxy.
Your Honor, there's no action to take at today's date. I met with Mr. Seabury yesterday. Just we're going to leave this matter set for trial.
Okay.
Can I say something?
No, I wouldn't recommend it, Matthew.
No. I just want to say I don't want a bench trial.
Okay, well, you're entitled to a jury trial. We'll sure give you one.
So, thank you.
13-186, State versus Faith Babcock, theft of property. Good morning. Who represents you, ma'am?
I do, Your Honor.
Oh, Mr. Cooper, okay.
Your Honor, Ms. Babcock has been brought back here from Missouri. Mr. Etheridge and I have tried to reach a resolution of this case. This morning we have not been successful. What we have agreed upon, Your Honor, is that the state would not oppose a new bond being set in the amount of $5,000.
The original bond, this says, was $15,000.
Your Honor, that bond, this case has been pending for some time. Ms. Babcock was incarcerated in the state of Missouri.
Okay.
That accounts for at least one, if not more, of the failure to appear that the court is probably noting.
That is fine with me. Would you clear it with Judge Webb since it's his case and he'd set a no bond? If that's fine with him, I'll be happy to set that and sign it.
Sure, Your Honor, we
Just out of
can.
courtesy to him.
Yes, Judge, we'll do that.
State versus Barbara Byers, possession of firearms by certain persons, tampering with evidence, 12-293. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Let's see, we're here for just, see if we have any pretrial motions.
Your Honor, there are no motions today. Your Honor, if the court would please show me privately a substitution of counsel for Ms. Byers.
Okay.
I have visited with Ms. Byers at the jail earlier this week, and if she can hear me, can you hear me, Ms. Byers?
Yes.
All right. We'll continue our efforts, and I will get down to the jail to see you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
14-205, State versus Jacob Sifford,
He's here.
breaking or entering, theft of property. Okay. Is this a revocation?
Yes, Judge. He was just picked up, I believe, 2 days ago. I'm not sure.
He has not been arrested.
We didn't believe much. We thought we might be able to reach a resolution, but I don't think that's the case at this point, so we can just show it for you.
February 19th. I was hearing on February 19th.
Actually, Your Honor, I'd like to waive the 60-day requirement of both those two things.
It's March 5th. Okay, 13-40, State versus Tyler Wheeler. Do you have a lawyer?
Not at the moment, I don't believe.
Okay.
Your Honor, based on his incarceration, we'll go ahead and enter a plea of not true to the allegations. We'll get an application over there from Mr. Wheeler. It appears this is a Judge Webb case on the revocation docket, so we probably need him to reappear next week.
Okay. Do we need to set the hearing for then, or is that too quick?
Can we just show a reappearance?
Okay, I'll set it for March 12th. And then reappear next week.
Thank you, Judge.